how to learn Mandarin Chinese. Do you still remember how did we learn our mother tongue? When we were a little baby, our moms said some simple words, then we tried to listen again and again and imitated them until we internalized them. Yes, we did like this. First, we learned to listen, and then we learned to speak. And then when we were about maybe 3 years old, I think, we started to learn to read and write. Yes, that's actually the correct order for learning any language. So, according to this order, I divide my Chinese lessons for beginners into 4 courses. In course A, we will focus on Chinese pronunciation. And in course B and course C, we will learn daily Chinese. We will learn to express our daily life in Chinese language. And I will also like to introduce you the basic knowledge and inner logic of Mandarin Chinese so that you can have a solid foundation for the future learning. Okay, so in course D, we will start to learn Chinese characters. Okay, now let's start with Chinese pronunciation.